Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today we have a second lecture of our ICT A to Z beginner series in where I will teach you what is the best broker, what is the spread, swap and commission. If you are new to our channel, make sure you watch that lecture number 1 so you can not miss the rhythm of this beginner series. Let's jump into the video. So what is a broker? Broker is a person or a platform which allow you to leverage your money or allow you to execute on a specific market. It can be a Forex, cryptocurrency or commodities or any sort of market where a broker is a third party which allow you to execute, buy or short the specific currency. Okay. So in which cost he will allow you this? It costs you about it costs you a spread or commission. Swap is not related to with the brokers, so I will explain you later on this swap. Okay, so broker is a third party which allow you to execute long or short position on a specific market on the charge of spread or commission. So basically, the broker make money by giving you a spread or charging you a commission on specific currency. So what is the spread? Spread is basically a difference between buying and a selling position. Let's give me an example. Here we have, for example, this is the Euro USD price. Okay, 1.0800. Okay, 1.0801. Let me write here for you a sell and buy. Okay, so if you expect price will go to the downside, you will sell here 1.0800. Okay, but immediately you want to buy that one, you will not get the exact price here. Okay, you will get the price on the same time at 1.0801, for example. Okay, so it's a one pip upside, right? So it is loss to you or a gain to you? Obviously loss, because you short it, so you should be the price is less than this 800. Okay, not more than 800. Okay, so that is a spread that will cost you in the trading. Or sometime what happen in some brokers that you will not get this 801, you will get exact 80. Okay, zero spread, but on that time you will cost, he will charge you a commission on your as per your lot or as per your position. Understand? So basically a spread and commission is for a broker making money think for them. Understand? So for a swap, it is basically an interest, okay, for holding a position more than 5 p.m. on your Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so in swap what happened, that swap is basically the central bank interest rate fixed percentage. For example, on I will give you some example, like we have here Australian dollar, next example, okay, with Japanese yen. Okay, so the Australian central bank have fixed the interest rate. You know, the all around world there will be an interest rate fixed for any currencies. For let's say for Australian dollar they fix 6%, and for Japanese yen they fix, for example, 2.5%. Okay, this is for just for your example. Okay, so if you buy Australian dollar against Japanese yen, so as you see here, the which currency have more interest, here you see a 6%, right? So in this position, if you buy Australian dollar against Japanese yen and the position goes go as you like, as you want in the long, okay, so and you hold the position after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you will gain interest because this is a interest. Okay, so in swap it doesn't mean you will charge from a broker. It's sometime you gain interest or you charge as well, they charge you as well. That swap is basically for a currency pairs, not for brokers. Understand? Okay, So many there are religious people as well that don't want a swap or something like a commission, but they are happy with the spread. So I will give you a broker as well. I will give you a broker which are regulated and most trusted as well, and they have a good uh, and everything is good with zero commission, zero swap, and a zero spread as well. Before I go to the broker, the last part, I hope you understand the difference between a swap, commission, spread. This basic knowledge, you will understand what I am talking about exactly here, right? Okay, now I am going to the broker. Which broker basically I use for? There are many good broker that are I am using when by a funded account. You know, the funded account are not using these famous brokers, but they have a broker. They are have a good rate, but they charge you a commission, or some also charge you a swap, or there is a spread as well. So if you have your own money and you want to trade, okay, with the specific chart like a 25th challenge, 55th challenge, okay, so you can use the both. I will give you two broker, and the both broker link will be in the bio. The first one is the XNES, have leverage which will be a customizable. Average spread is 12.5. They will swap free available, okay, and some have also swap on some like crude oil, some instruments, okay. In Euro USD swap free, okay, available. And here is the spread, you can see, okay. And my favorite one, because XNS is liked by many people, okay, so I like personally the HF markets because they have many options more than anyone else, okay. Like Zero, they have account named Zero, where if you open that account, will be a zero spread, will be a this much leverage and a swap free, but they will cost you a commission, a high commission, okay. So they have also pro and premium as well. So they have also account where you will have to deposit a minimum $100 with have a zero spread, with have a 1000 leverage, with have a zero commission, with have a zero swap, and all things in the box, okay. So you can try this one as well. Link will be in the bio, okay. We'll meet you in the next video where the actual recipe start of this series, the basic concept chapter 1 of candle, time frame, kill zone of ICT. Until next time, be safe.